What do you at, foodies? Today, we're gonna make a spicy feta dip. This is a very simple recipe, only takes a couple ingredients, so if you're a feta lover, you're gonna love this recipe. So let's get into it. Alright foodies, let's start by adding 1 clove of garlic to our food processor. I'm going to use a garlic press to make sure the garlic is fine enough when we blend it and we don't have big chunks of garlic in our dip. Now let's add in our roasted red pepper. If you don't know how to roast a red pepper, you can use jar red peppers. Let's go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of chili pepper flakes. You could also use fresh chili pepper here as well. Add as much as you'd like to make it more spicy, or less spicy. Now let's put our top on and blend this for 10 seconds to combine. Once all the ingredients get to know each other, go ahead and add in 200 grams or 7 ounces of your finest Greek yogurt. And let's go ahead and blend this for another 10 seconds. Now it's time to add the best part, 275 grams or 9.7 ounces of the best Greek feta cheese you can buy, preferably right from a barrel, shipped from Greece. Now let's blend this one last time until you have a smooth, creamy, spicy feta dip. Now let's give this a try. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, spicy feta dip. We can put a little bit more on here. Make sure you give this a try. If you like feta, you like anything spicy, this is a great combination. Share with your friends. It's good any time of the year, summer, Christmas. It's just so good. Like, so tasty. With that said, foodies, if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time, foodie out. I mean, you can just eat this with a spoon.